love editing. Hey everyone, welcome back to Zefno, your ultimate destination for animation and editing tips. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the exciting world of 3D camera movement using Alight motion. Whether you're new to 3D effects or looking to enhance your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you create dynamic and professional-looking animations. Let's get started and bring your projects to life with stunning 3D camera movements.
Want this? 前へ雪が高く俺も雪なら全部いいよ
Audio
That's a wrap for today's tutorial on creating 3D camera movements in Alight motion. We hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to try out these techniques in your own projects. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Zefno for more animation and editing tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.